It's spring, and the beautiful thing about spring at Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio is that we open up Design School and Color School. We have 3 courses: Design School Level 1, Design School Level 2, and Color School. In Design School, you'll learn everything you need to know, whether you're a beginner or an experienced hooker, about how to design your own hooked rugs. In Level 2, we go deeper, we get stronger, and we talk about creating themes and styles and shows. And in Color School, I sort of unlock the secrets of how I use color, and I get you used to using color boldly and freely in your hooked rugs. And we talk about dyeing wool. So it's an exciting time of year. It's only open for 7 days. We're opening these courses, and when we open, we put them at our sale price. So it's open now, 7 days available, Design School and Color School. But here's the treat. If you buy all 3, we're giving you a very special deal. Now, if you bought them before, you can still access your courses. But if you'd like to buy all 3 of these together, we're offering a very special deal for 3 of them together. So join me now for Color School and Design School Level 1 and Level 2, only available for 7 days, and it's on sale right now at hookingrugs.com. See ya. Yay!